Hey guys, today I'm going to help a client out. He says he's got some water loss. I'm going to see if I can help this guy out. And then yeah, so let me show you guys quick. Okay, so let's put some water in. So it's got no water in here. Okay, I can see where it's coming from the heater matrix pipe. I think what I'm going to do here is I'm going to cut it shorter, just for temporary, until we can find a pipe for a forward figure. Right down there. I can't make a plan with this pipe. We would have to find a new pipe, because if I cut it shorter, it's too soft. It's just going to burst again. Okay guys, as you can see, big cut in it. So this pipe ain't going to work. Okay guys, it's the next day. As you can see, this was the old pipe from the heater matrix. We've got a new pipe now. So we're going to fit this bad boy and then see if there's any damage done to the engine. Okay guys, it's going to be hard for me to show you guys where it goes on, okay, but basically it goes on here, goes on to that heater matrix spot there, and then it goes all the way down and then it goes all the way down here. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's going to be hard for you guys to see, but yeah. I've got the pipe on now. We're going to put some water in, okay. Okay, I'm going to start the car up now guys, and see if the head is damaged or if it's overheated. Okay guys, so now we're going to check if there's a blown head gasket on this thing. We're going to let it bleed out, see if the fan comes on, and then from there onwards we can determine if it has blown head gasket or not. I don't have my test kit with me when you put it in here with the liquid to tell you if it's blown or not, so I'll be just watching it with my eyes. Okay guys, for is excessive bubbles in the water, okay. So we'll wait and see. So far so good. I don't see any water, I don't see any bubbles in the water yet. So far so good. So we'll just wait and see, and I'll get back to you guys. Now if your car's blade, the fan will kick on. As you can see, the fan is on now. Down there. Okay. I would say this customer is very lucky. From the looks of things, it doesn't look like it's overheated or anything. There's no excessive bubbles in the bottle. But yeah, I guess this one is a lucky fix, and yeah. Okay, as you guys can see, there's no excessive bubbles in the water, so that's telling me the head gasket's still fine. Okay guys, I hope this video helped you guys out. If you guys don't mind, hit the like, share, subscribe. It'll help me out a lot on this channel. But yeah, hope that helped. Bye.